With Aladdin flying into theaters May 24th, let's make our own magic carpet using felt, trim, fabric, and thread. I start by cutting a rectangle of fabric to use for the center of my rug. I really like the print on this fabric, but I want the image to be symmetrical. So I take two pieces, stack them good side to good side, sew a straight line across the edge. To connect them together, I take a coordinating fabric and cut strips that are the same length as the sides and the top and bottom. Then cut squares for the corners. After cutting squares for all four corners, take the top row, place the square on top of the rectangle, good side to good side, sew a straight line along the edge to connect them together. Repeat for the other side, sewing the whole row together. Sew the next row, which are the ones for the middle, then sew the bottom row. After each row has been sewn, flip it and lay it on the one before so they're laying good side to good side. Sew along the raw edge to attach them. Repeat for the top row to make a large rectangle. Take another print, cut strips, sew them on, starting with the long sides, then the shorter sides. To make the design of our magic carpet, take gold thread. I wrap it around my fingers 10 times. I'm using embroidery floss, so this is 6 strands. If I was using a single thread, I would wrap it about 60 times. Trim off the excess, cut another piece, take it through the loop of thread, tie a knot. I use tape to secure the ends of the thread I just tied. Cut a long single thread, gather the loop into a line, wrap the single thread around the top several times, tie the ends of the single thread together, cut it straight across the bottom to make a tassel. I'm putting a little touch of hot glue on it to make sure it doesn't unravel. Repeat to make 4. Place them in the corners of the rug so the tassels are pointing in and leaving space for a seam allowance. Pick out a felt that matches the rug, place it on top so the tassels are sandwiched on the inside. Use pins to secure the corners. Sew around the edge, leaving an opening. Trim the edges, turn it inside out, sew the opening closed. Pick out a gold trim, sew it right on top. I'm using a zigzag stitch to help it stay flat. To make our own version of the magic carpet. Perfect for our custom Princess Jasmine. Now let's make it fly. I cut a rectangle of cardboard that is slightly smaller than my rug. Cut a larger piece, cover with white paper, take the smaller rectangle, cover it with felt that matches our flying carpet. Use hot glue to attach the felt. And remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. One side of the cardboard is completely covered and the other side has the center left open. I take clear plastic forks, cut off the ends, cut 4, glue them onto the cardboard so it can stand. And it kind of looks like it's floating because our background is so busy. Make sure it is sturdy enough to support the weight of the rug and your doll. That's pretty cool. We could just leave it like that for photography purposes, but I want to take it a step further. Take the covered cardboard, turn it over to the other side. We bought a pack of Hot Wheels, glue them to the corners. I was very generous with the hot glue because metal and hot glue don't always like to stick together. But if you can get it into the nooks and crannies on the top of the car, it will stay in place. After gluing cars to all 4 sides, flip it over to make a platform that rolls. Glue the forks onto the platform, creating a carpet that can move. Cover the bottom with fluff so that it looks like a cloud. I'm gonna add some LED lights and hide them under the fluff. We could tape the lights onto the base first, then tape the battery pack to the corner or underneath. Cover it with the fluff to make clouds that glow. Place the magic carpet on top to take your doll on a magic carpet ride. This is such a fun craft that we hope you all enjoy. And since the carpet is not glued down, we can use it in the dollhouse. Thank you for joining us while we made our own flying magic carpet. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
We want to give a shout out to Crafter C. What's up? I am going to explore the world. Shining, shimmering, fabulous. Where should I go? To tell you the truth, I can't remember the last time I let my heart decide. It's like a whole new world. I'm like a shooting star. School's out for the summer.
Sophie, wake up!
Magic carpet ride.
Sophie!
Ah! What is it, Chloe?
Wake up! We have to finish studying for exams.
Oh man, I thought I was finished.